with Litespeed Construction, coming to you today here with my buddy Chris. Chris works for one of the apartment complexes in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. We're just finishing up a roofing project. Can you let folks know a little bit about what we did for your apartments?
Well, the guys came through. We've got 3 buildings. They are historic buildings built in 1943. One of the originals for the Manhattan project here. And we're in some need of some repair. The guys came in and did the work, downspouts, everything. It looks absolutely phenomenal.
So downspouts, we replaced commercial roofing systems.
Yep.
And those are on all 3 buildings. We use TPO roofing. Folks are pretty familiar with that if they own buildings and properties.
That's cool, man.
I'm gonna have some pretty cool pictures of before, during, and after. But Chris, we really appreciate the work, and I'm glad that you and your company are happy with everything.
Hey, we couldn't be happier, Kirby.
Thank you so much. Sincerely, I appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, call Litespeed Construction. Give us a shout with your next commercial roofing project. See you later.